4 minors cofactors, and we will also discuss about the inverse of a determinant or a matrix by determinant method and adjoint. So let us start with minors and cofactors of a matrix. Minors of an element aij of the determinant of A is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column, and it is denoted by mij. Actually, minor, what is minor? Minor is a smaller part of matrix, means determinant of a matrix which we obtain by deleting ith row and jth column. Suppose there is a matrix A and it is containing 3 by 3 elements. Then 3 by 3 order. If we delete its ith row and ith column or jth column, suppose we delete its one row and one column. So rest of the part will be a 2 by 2. And when we find its determinant, it is denoted by Mij. That is, a smaller part of a matrix is minor of that matrix. Now, cofactor of an element Aij is given by Aij minus 1 raised to the power I plus j into Mij. It means minor and cofactor of an element will remain same if I plus j is even, and it will be of negative sign when I plus j is of odd. Like Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j into Mij. Now value of determinant of a matrix A is obtained by the sum of products of element of a row or column with corresponding cofactors. For example, determinant of A is equal to A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. Here capital letters denoted by the cofactors. You have already discussed this in very first topic, where we need to expand it along a particular row or along a particular column to find the value of determinant. Now, if elements of a row or column are multiplied with the cofactors of element of any other row except that, then their sum is 0. Like A11 is not multiplied with its cofactor, which is capital A11, but it is multiplied with capital A21. Similarly, A12 with capital A22 plus A13 capital A23, and their sum will be 0. Now, adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Very important part of determinant. The adjoint of a square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n, since it is a square matrix, is defined as the transpose of a matrix which we obtain by the cofactors of A, which is Aij n cross n, where capital Aij is the cofactor of an element Aij, and it is denoted by adjoint A. Listen carefully, think about it again. In my previous topic, I have just told you about the cofactors. So we know that a matrix is containing, a 3 by 3 matrix is containing 9 elements. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So for each and every element we have got 9 cofactors, which is denoted by capital A11, capital A12, capital A13, capital A21, capital A22, capital A23, capital A31, capital A32, capital A33. Now this matrix which we obtain by the cofactors, when we find the transpose of it, it is said to be adjoint of A. Look at this example. Like A is this matrix which is given to you, then adjoint A will be the matrix transpose of determinant which we obtained by the cofactors of each and every element of A, where Aij is the cofactor of Aij. Now we have a theorem that A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant of A into identity, where A is a square matrix of order n. You can simply check it by multiplying A with adjoint of A. Then you will get the result easily. Then we have a square matrix A is said to be singular or non-singular. If determinant of A is 0, then it is said to be singular. If determinant of A is non-zero, it is said to be non-singular. Then if A is a square matrix of order an, then determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A raised to the power n minus 1. Very, very important concept it is. We have got many of questions based on this particular concept. Suppose determinant of a matrix A is 5 and it is of 3 by 3, then determinant of its adjoint will be 5 raised to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2, that is 25. Now if A and B are two non-singular matrices of same order, then AB and BA are also non-singular matrix of order, same order. Now the determinant of the product of matrices is equal to the product of their respective determinant. It means it is distributive. Determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Distributive property for product. If AB is equal to BA is equal to I, where A and B are square matrices, then B is called inverse of A and is written by B is equal to A inverse, or B inverse is equal to A inverse raised to the power inverse A. You know, we have already discussed in very first chapter in composition of function. When we operate a function with its inverse, it always gives us identity. So as here we have, then if a square matrix is invertible, then surely it is a non-singular matrix. Singular matrix cannot be having any inverse. Then if A is invertible matrix, then A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. The eighth line is also verified by this 9. Since if determinant of A is 0, when we divide adjoint A by determinant A, it will be not defined. So it will be a non-singular matrix. Only then it is invertible. If it is singular, then denominator 0 gives us not defined matrix. Then thank you.